Guys, yesterday we did not take in like entire session. I think we had taken our session only for 20 minutes, I guess, right? 20 or 25 minutes. After that, we are having a small technical issue. So that is the reason yesterday only half of the day, I mean, half of the session is taken. In that particular half, we discussed about types of applications. Did we cover this? Day before yesterday or yesterday? Yesterday only we covered this, right? Yes, we discussed about types of applications. Like, as I said, there are three types of applications: console based applications, desktop applications, and web based applications. I mean, applications means nothing but projects. So we had seen what is the difference between those applications and which one you will be working on. Console based applications, outdated, guys. No, you'll not be working on them. Desktop or standalone applications, those will be done by the seniors, not by the freshers. And for freshers, you will be working on web-based applications. And in these web-based application, like if you wanna create a web-based application, you should be having an idea about core Java, advanced frameworks, SQL, UI, testing, and all these DevOps, right? And after this, yesterday we started discussing about editions of Java, and I think we already completed this, right? So there are three editions are there in Java: Java to SE, that is J to SE, Java to Standard Edition, Java to EE, Java to Enterprise Edition, and Java to ME, that is Java to Micro Edition. Yes, but which edition we are working with? Java to SE, that is Java to Standard Edition. Up to here, we had covered in our yesterday's class. When you are speaking about Java to EE, that is Java to Enterprise Edition, means all advanced Java concepts will be covered. In advanced Java, how many concepts are there? Come on. What are those? JDBC, servlets, and JSPs. Yes, up to here we had already covered this. Now, guys, let me ask you a small question. Please make sure you are answering this. Please make sure you are answering this. How many basic Java programming elements are there? Class, interface, and an enum. Inside a class, please listen to this. Concentrate. Inside a class, can I write a variable? Can I write a method? Can I write a variable inside a method? My question is, inside a class, can I write a variable? Yes. Can you write a method? What is the syntax of a method? Access modifier, return type, method name, parenthesis, open braces and close braces. Inside a method, can you write a variable? Yeah, of course, we can do that. We can write. Now, interface. When we need to use interface, if we want to achieve abstraction in our project, then and then only we will be using interfaces. Now, guys, please listen to this. Yes, whenever we are discussing about OOPS concepts, at that particular time, we'll be trying to cover this interfaces concept completely and clearly also. But as of now, I want to introduce you one method. Just a small theory. That's it. Not even programming. I just want to introduce you a method, theoretical knowledge. And that method is abstract method. What is the method name? Answer. Abstract method. If we want to achieve abstraction, I repeat, if we want to achieve abstraction in our project, 100%, we need to use abstract method. Sir, what is an abstract method? Yeah, wait, we'll discuss that. But let me try to give you just a basic idea about syntax of an abstract method. Can you? Now, guys, just imagine. Generally, what is the syntax of a method? Access modifier, return type, method name, parenthesis, open braces and close braces. Now, I'm going to tell you the, listen. Now, I'm going to tell you the syntax of abstract method. Please listen to this clearly. Access modifier. How many access modifiers are there? Access modifier. Abstract keyword. It's a keyword. What right now I'm saying you the syntax of which method? Abstract method. First, what we need to write? Answer. Access modifier. After that, abstract. That abstract is a keyword. Abstract. After that, return type. Once again. Starting from beginning. Please start from beginning. Once again. Access modifier. Abstract. Return type. Method name. Parenthesis. Hang on. Can you please tell me once again? Access modifier, abstract, return type, method name, parenthesis, hang on, semicolon. There will not be method body for abstract method. Am I clear with this? Now tell me generally what is the syntax of a normal method? Normal method. Access modifier, return type, method name, parenthesis, open braces and close. Inside open braces and close braces, what we will write? Method body, like statements, variables, SYSO statements. Am I right or wrong? Inside the parenthesis, what we will write? Parameters. I hope it's clear, guys. Now I'm speaking about abstract method. Syntax of an abstract method. Access modifier, abstract, return type, method name, parenthesis, semicolon. Abstract method will not be having any method body. Every method present in interface is, I'm speaking about interface right now. Guys, are you listening? Every method present in interface is by default abstract method. I repeat, every method present in interface is by default abstract method. Now, answer this question once again. Inside a class, can I write variable? Yes or no? Can I write a method? Can I write a variable inside a method? Now, interface. Inside an interface, can I write a variable? Yes. I'm saying you the answer. Yes. We can write variable. Can I write a method? Right? Yes. Come on. Can we write a method inside interface? Can we write a variable inside a method? No. Why? Once again, guys, very simple. No need to get confused. Do you know what is an abstract method? Do you know what is the syntax of an abstract method? Yes. Can I write method body for an abstract method? In interface, every method is by default abstract method. I repeat. In interface, every method is by default abstract method. Now, inside an interface, can I write a variable? Yes. We can write variables. Can I write a method? Yes, we can write methods. Can we write variables inside those methods? Why? By default, every method present in interface is which method? Abstract method. Abstract methods will not be having any method body. Am I clear with this? Now, once again, class. For a class, can we write a variable inside a class? Method. Variable inside a method. Can I write a variable inside an interface? Yes or no? Yes, we can write. We can write variable inside an interface. Can we write a method? Can we write a variable inside that method? Why? Because that method is a abstract method. So what? Abstract method means why we cannot write variables? Why? Because abstract methods will not be having any method body. Dot. Am I clear with this? As of now, kindly please do remember this. More information regarding this abstract method whenever we are speaking about OOPS concepts, we'll be trying to cover. Now, when you're coming to enum, inside an enum, you can write variable, you can write methods, you can write variables inside the methods also, just like a class. Just like a class, you can write variable inside an enum. You can write method inside an enum. You can write variables inside those methods also. No problem. I want you to please have a look at it. Please have a look at it. In a package, in a package, generally we will be having classes, interfaces, enum. Inside a class, we can write variables, we can write methods, we can write variables inside the methods also. In interface, we can write variables, we can write methods, but can we write variables inside these methods? No. Why? These are which methods? Abstract methods. Abstract methods will not be having any method body. Okay, in enum, just like a class, we can write variables, we can write methods, we can write variables inside these methods also. And I believe you know the syntax of class, interface, and an enum. Could you please have this in your notes for me? Please have this. Please. Please have this. Whenever you are writing, understand and write. Please don't copy paste. You know the concept. You know the concept. Just understand the concept and write. Please don't copy paste. For example, whenever you're writing syntax of a class, syntax of an interface, syntax of an enum, try to write it by your own. You know the syntax. Just try to write it by your own. Don't copy paste, please. If you're having a doubt, then you can check it. Don't forget the syntax, guys. Please don't forget the basics. Basic concepts, don't forget. We will use these basics concept till the end of our core Java classes. Please. AM means access modifiers. Water కూడా తీసుకో. Completed? Right. Completed? How many are writing? Please raise. Please raise. Raise. Carry on. 1 more minute, guys. 1 more minute. 1 more minute. Guys, if I ask you it's completed, if anyone is writing, just raise your hand. Just raise your hand. If you're raising your hand, I'll understand. Okay, I'll wait. Just raise your hand. Enough. So, guys, when you're speaking about examples of variables in a class, can you give an example? Example of variable in a class. Any example? Int A equal to 10, int B equal to 20, int C equal to 30. All these are variables only. We had given, like, we had already done programs also. In our demo class only, we already covered a lot of programs. Right. Okay. Now, yes. Please keep your next heading as understanding JVM. Please keep your next side heading as understanding JVM. Just a simple side heading. Just let me try to write like this. Understanding JVM. Right. Now, guys, I have a small question for you. Like, before going to this concept, just a small question. Very, very simple question. And that question is, very simple question. That question is, what happens internally when we are compiling and running our Java program? What happens internally when we are compiling and running our Java program? As simple as this. As simple as this. Okay. Now, let me just try to answer. Right. Guys, for this question, I am going to answer this question. I just want you to please check whether my answer is right or wrong. Will you do that for me? I'll be saying you the answer right now. Just please check. Guys, listen. Listen, please listen. Question is very simple. What happens internally whenever, like when we are compiling and running our Java program? Whenever we are compiling our Java program with the help of a command, Java C space file name dot Java. I repeat. Once again. Whenever we are compiling our Java program with the help of a command, Java C space file name dot Java, Java compiler is going to check whether we have written our code according to the Java language syntax or not. After successful compilation, Java compiler is going to generate a dot class file. The generated dot class file name will be same as class name. The generated dot class file consists of bytecode instructions which are understandable only by the machines. In our case, that machine is JVM, Java Virtual Machine. In order to run our Java program, we need to use the command Java space generated dot class file name. If all the bytecode instructions are correct, we'll be getting our output. If wrong, we'll be getting an error. Dot. Is this clear? Is this correct? I sure? I sure. Can you answer the same? Yes or no? Write the answer. Use your own statements. Use your own sentences. What did you know? Write it. Feel free to frame your own sentences. If you face the same question in the interview, how you will write? How you will say the answer? Please make sure you are giving complete and precise answer. Take time. It's okay to take time. It's okay to take time. Take time. Frame your sentences and give the answer. Frame your sentences and give answer. It's okay to take time. If you are facing the same question in interview, how you will answer? The answer is on the board. If you want to take help, you can help. You can take help. Don't copy paste. Don't copy paste. Please don't copy paste. Please don't copy paste. Use your own sentences. If you are having any trouble, then you can check it. Don't by heart. Never by heart the concept. Understand the concept. This is not a new topic, guys. We are discussing this concept right from our starting classes onwards. Demo class onwards, we are discussing this. But just I framed it in one single answer, as one single answer. That's it, not more than that. Please make sure you are understanding the concept. Don't by heart it. If you understand the concept, you can frame your own sentences. Forget about grammar, everything. No, just frame your sentences. If you know the concept, you can say it. Please check whether you are able to answer this question if you are getting the question in the interview or not. Same question. If you are getting the same question interview, are you able to answer or not? Will you able to answer or not? That's you should check it, please. Once again, I'm requesting you, don't by heart. Don't by heart. Just understand the concept. Two more minutes. Two more minutes. Done? So once again, I'm saying you, if anyone is writing, raise your hands. If you raise your hands, then I will understand. One more minute. One more minute. If you're not raising hand, then I'll not understand. So I'll continue the next one more topic. So just raise your hand. If it's not complete, just raise. Okay, fine. Right. Guys, exception. Last, there is this one word related like exception. We will be covering that in our exception handling. Kindly please wait for it. Wait for it. You will be getting an error whenever you are compiling. You will be getting an exception whenever you are running. Error is different, exception is different. So wait for it, please. Wait, we'll discuss that. We'll discuss that. Right. Now, guys, answer this question. Java, platform dependent or independent? Dependent. Independent. JVM, platform dependent or independent? Sir, JVM is also, we are having these options. Yes. Guys, let me ask you a small question. For example, I'm having a normal Android phone. You guys are having iPhone. You guys are having an iPhone. I think, yeah, what? Come on, just think. Okay. We are having, like, I'm having an Android phone and you guys are having an iPhone. Both mobiles hardware is completely different. OS is also completely different, right? When I'm trying to send a message from my mobile to your mobile, are you able to view that message? I'm not speaking about WhatsApp. I'm not speaking about WhatsApp. I'm speaking about normal message. I'm speaking about normal message. Can you see that? Can you view that? Can you read it? Yes. Even though machines are different, I mean to say, even though hardware is different, mobiles are different, OS is different, but these can communicate with each other. Am I right or wrong? Now, Java file. I'm having class A.java. After compilation, what will be generated? Answer, dot class file will be generated. That dot class file consists of bytecode instructions. Now I'm having two laptops. One is Windows operating system. One is Linux operating system. I'm having two laptops. In one laptop, I'm having Windows. In another laptop, I'm having Linux. In both laptops, I install Java. Windows operating system will have Windows specific JVM. Linux operating system will be having Linux specific JVM. Are you understanding me? Windows OS will have Windows JVM. Linux OS will have Linux specific JVM. Both these JVMs can understand the bytecode instructions which are present in the dot class file. JVM is platform dependent. JVM is platform dependent, but they can understand the bytecode instructions which are present in the dot class file, and your output will be generated, and which will be same output. Means, please check this. For example, I'm having, guys, please check this. I'm having a Java file, class A.java. Class A.java. After compilation phase, compilation will be done by, answer, Java compiler. What is the command for compilation? Java C space file name dot Java. Guys, I'm requesting you, please answer. Answer. Answer, please. Make sure you're answering. Okay, right. So yes, the command for compilation is Java C space file name dot Java. After compilation phase is done, after successful compilation, what will be generated? Dot class file will be generated. Now that dot class file, generated dot class file, we can execute in Windows JVM and output will be generated. We can execute in Linux JVM, output will be generated. We can execute in Solaris JVM and output will be generated. The best part is all these three will be same outputs, similar outputs. This is platform independency. Output will be same, but JVMs are different. I hope you understand me, guys. Java is platform independent, whereas JVM is platform dependent. Even though JVM is platform dependent, it can understand the bytecode instructions which are present in the dot class file. That is the only reason Java is platform independent. I hope it's clear, guys. Could you please have this small diagram for me, please? Please have this diagram for me. Please. Guys, most of the time people will be getting confused. They'll be thinking that JVM is platform independent. No. JVM is platform dependent. Java is platform independent. Please. You want me to zoom it? Please have this. Online students, please make sure you are having a proper internet connection. Please make sure you're having a proper internet connection, guys. Why? Because once I explain the topic, if your internet connection is not good, then again, in order to repeat it, it will be having a trouble. I hope you are understanding me, guys. Please, please. And guys, yesterday I did not uploaded any notes in the Google Classroom as our class is cancelled yesterday. I did not upload any notes, so today I'll be trying to upload it. Yes, your mate is just. It's a OS, Ganesh. It's just a OS. Windows, Linux, Solaris, OS, operating systems. Completed? Please be fast. Right. Please keep your next heading as internal architecture of JVM. Internal architecture of JVM. Internal architecture of JVM. Right. Now, please have this. Please have this. Please have this. Internal architecture of JVM. This is one of the most expected interview point of view question. Trust me. Please. First have this. After that, we'll be discussing this. Please. Internal architecture of JVM. One of the most expected interview point of view questions, guys. Trust me with this. We will be using these terminologies. We will be using these terminologies till the end of our classes. Terminologies are important. So please. Is it okay? You should understand these terminologies. Class loader. What is class loader? Class area, heap area, stack, PC registers, native method stack. execution engine. How many components are present inside execution engine? What is the use of execution engine? Garbage collector, interpreter. Class loader, class area, heap area, class area, heap area, stack, PC registers, native method stack, execution engine, execution engine, native method interface, Java native libraries. Completed? Right, right. Now, just let me try to hang on. Let me save it, guys. Just a sec. 23, right? Okay. Now, internal architecture of JVM. Right. So, guys, first things first. In internal architecture of JVM, first we should be having an idea about class loader. What is this class loader? Yes, wait for it. After that, we will be discussing about class area, heap area, stack area, PC registers, PC registers, native method stacks, native method stacks like this. Class area, heap area, stack area, PC registers, native method stacks. And then we will be having execution engine, execution engine. In execution engine, we will be having two separate components. In execution engine, we will be having two separate components known as interpreter, interpreter and garbage collector, and garbage collector, like this. Okay, we'll discuss this, but right now, before going to all these concepts, first let us try to have an idea about class loader. Guys, class loader will perform three actions. It is going to perform three tasks. To be precise, it is going to perform three tasks. First one is loading. Second one is linking, loading, linking. And finally, last one is initialization. Loading, linking, and initialization. What it is going to load, what it is going to link, what it is going to initialize, we'll try to have an idea right now. Now, guys, please check this. I'm having a class. Okay, just let me try to have a method in this class. Void method one like this. Just system.out.println. Just simply, I'm just trying to write hi. Just let me try to write it as hi. Enough, not more than that. Now I'm having one more class. Let me go with like class B. Just let me remove these theoretic concepts. Okay. Now this is class B. Okay, let me remove this. Class B. Now, that's very simple question. Can I call method 1 which is present in class A in class B? Yes or no? Perfect. What I need to do? I did not expected this. Who said import? Feel free to raise your hand. Who said import? No problem. No problem. Come on. Come on. Once again, I am saying you. Once again, I am saying you. We need to import if both the classes are present in different packages. Once again, we need to use import statement if both the classes are present in two different packages. Are those present in same package or different package? So do we need to use import statement? No. Okay. My question is, I want to call method 1 which is present in class A in class B. Can I do that? First, what I need to write? Main method. First, write main method. Guys, come on. Don't forget the basics. Without writing main method, we cannot run our program. Writing main method is mandatory if you want to run your Java program. Am I clear with this? So first, what we need to do? Come on. Let me just try to write my main method. Okay. Now tell me what I need to do. What I need to do? Create an, object for class A or class B? Class B. Why class A? Because method 1 is present in a. Perfect. Okay. Now new class A dot method 1. As simple as this. And right now, if I'm trying to execute my program, yes, I will be getting my output that is high. Up to now, is it clear, guys, for everyone? Online students, kindly please respond. Online students, kindly please respond. Up to now. Up to now, is it clear for everyone? Right. Guys, once again, I am saying you, kindly please do remember this. We need to use import statement. I repeat, we need to use import statement only if the classes are present in two different packages. If both the classes are present in the same package, no need to use import statement. Am I clear with this? Dot. Okay. Okay. Now, so yes, we can call our method one. We can call our method one, which is present in class A, in class B. Yeah, no problem. Okay. Now my question is, guys, please understand the question and answer. In order to don't immediately answer. Don't immediately answer. First think and answer. Okay. In order to run class B, is it mandatory that class A should be present, or else can I delete class A? Did you understand my question? My question is, in order to run class B, is it mandatory that class A should be present in my project, or else can I delete class A? Is it mandatory? If I delete class A, what happens? Let me just try to delete class A, please. I'm trying to delete. Hang on. Just let me try to copy this. Okay. I'm deleting my class A. Right click, run as. I'm sorry. Right click, delete, and delete. I'm deleting class A, and immediately I'll be getting an error. So, in order to run class B, in order to run class B, class A is required. Am I right or wrong? Class A is linked with class B. Are you understanding me? This linking will be taken care by the class loader. Whenever you are running your Java program, your class is linked with any other classes or not. That will be taken care by the class loader. How many actions will be done by the class loader? Answer. What are those? Loading, linking, initialization. Right now we are discussing about linking. So let me just try to create my class A. I'm just trying to create my class A. Okay. And now just let me try to, okay, here I'm just trying to keep my entire method exactly like this. And right now I will not be having any error. Why? Because I'm having my class A back. No problem. So once again, how many actions will be done by the class loader? Three actions. What are those? Loading, linking, initialization. Now we discussed about linking. Linking means whenever you are, I repeat, whenever you are running your Java program, your Java program is linked with any other classes or not. If it is linked with any other classes, that linking will be carried out by the class loader. Am I clear with this? Done. Now, guys, if you want to see the output of our Java program, I repeat, if we want to see the output of our Java program, how many tasks we need to do? Answer. What are those? Compilation and running. After compilation, dot class file will be generated. Dot class file will be generated. That generated dot class file we need to provide as an input to the JVM. Yes or no? Whenever we are, please listen to this. Please listen to this. Whenever we are providing the generated dot class file as an input to the JVM, first that dot class file will be accepted by the class loader. Whatever the dot class file which you are giving, first that dot class file will be loaded into the class loader. And whenever it is loading into the class loader, it is going to link its dependencies. Means your dot class file in your program, if your program is linked with any other classes, those linking will be carried out by the class loader whenever the dot class file is loaded into the class loader. That task is nothing but loading. Are you understanding me? Once again, guys, please tell me how many tasks will be done by the class loader? Answer: three tasks. Three tasks. First one, loading. Second one, linking. Third one, we'll discuss about initialization. But first, loading. Before JVM, before JVM, our dot class file will be first loaded into the class loader. In the class loader, whether your Java program is linked with any other classes or not, whether do you have any dependencies of other classes or not. If you are having any dependencies, then those linking will be carried out by the class loader. Up to now, am I clear with this? Please respond. Online students, up to now, is it clear, guys? Please respond, online students, please. Perfect. That is great. Okay, now, guys, you know variable. Yes or no? Give me an example for a variable. Int I equal to 10, int b equal to 20. I mean, lot of variables are there. In Java, listen, guys, listen, concentrate. In Java, there are three types of variables are there. How many types of variables are there? How many access modifiers are there? What are those? Private, protected, package, private. How many we can use for a class? How many we can use for a method? How many how many primitive data types are there? We are having 8 primitive data types are there. How many variables are there? Come on. 3. 3 types of variables are there. First one, instance variable. Listen. First one, instance variable. Second one, static variable. I repeat. How many types of variables are there? 3 types. First one is instance variable. Second one is static variable. Third one is local variable. Local, L-O-C-A-L. Local variable. Once again. 3 types of variables are there. First one is instance variable. Second one is static variable. Third one is local variable. Maximum by next week, we'll be trying to cover these variables concept also. Maximum by next week. But as of now, I want you to remember one very important point. That is, in these 3 variables, memory will be assigned for these variables whenever we are running our program, not at compilation. Generally, memory will be assigned whenever we are running. Compilation will be done by the answer. Guys, some questions involuntarily you should be able to answer. You should not think also. That is the only reason I'll ask you number of times. Once again, compilation will be done by the running will be taken care by. Whenever we are running our Java program, generally memory will be assigned. Okay. Now, how many variables are there? 3 types. What are those? Instance, static, local. For static variables, guys, please listen. For static variables, I'm not speaking about instance, I'm not speaking about local variables. Sir, what are these instance and local? What are these static variables? Wait, hang on. We'll discuss that. We will discuss that. But as of now, I want you to kindly please do remember. For static variables, memory will be assigned not at the time of running. Whenever your class is loading. I repeat. Static variables will be initialized at the time of class loading by the class loader. Now, what do you mean by declaration and what do you mean by initialization? What do you mean by declaration and what do you mean by initialization? Guys, for example, for example, I'm just trying to write, I'm just trying to write int I. What is that? Answer. Declaration. For example, I'm writing int x equal to 10. Declaration and initialization. Initialization means assigning some value. This value will be assigned to a variable at the time of running. Whenever we are running our program only, value will be assigned. But for static variables, how many variables are there? What are those? Instance, static, local. I am speaking about static variables. For static variables, memory will be assigned. Static variables will be initialized at the time of class loading, not at the time of class running. Am I clear with this? Even before running only, memory will be assigned for the static variables at the time of class loading by the class loader. Dot. Now, answer. Class loader. How many actions will be done by the class loader? What are those? Loading, linking, initialization. Loading. First dot class file will be loaded into the class loader. After loading, it is going to link whether your program is having any dependencies or not, like whether your Java program is linked with any other classes or not. That is nothing but linking. Initialization. Class loader is going to initialize static variables. Am I clear with this? So guys, once again, there are three types of variables are there. Instance, static, local. Static variables will be initialized at the time of dash. Come on. Class. Come on. Class loading by class loader. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Online students, kindly please respond. Online students, kindly please respond. Is this clear? Is this clear? Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, I can see. I can see. Abdul, I can see. No issues. Right, right. Fine. Guys, once again, I'm saying you before running, I mean, who is going to run? JVM. JVM is going to run, right? Before running, our dot class file will be first accepted by the class loader. First loaded by the class loader. So class loader is going to perform three actions: loading, linking, and initialization. Now, after that, class area. Class area. So there are 5 memory areas are there inside JVM. Five memory areas are there. First one is class area, heap area, stack area, PC registers, native method stacks. So all these are 5 memory areas which are present inside our JVM. So regarding these 5 memory areas, we'll be trying to cover in our tomorrow's class. Why? Because the time will not be sufficient right now. Almost 10 to 9. Is it okay, guys, for everyone? All right. All right. Guys, I have a small question. Shall we shift our class timing to 7? Shall we shift our class timing to online students? What about you? Okay. 7. I'm speaking about 7. I'm not speaking about 6:36. I'm just speaking about 7. Okay, okay. Guys, I'll do one thing. I'll do one thing. Yeah, you're having Okay, I'll just try to create a poll. I'll just try to create a poll and upload in the Google Classroom. Just give your poll so that basing on that, we'll be trying to decide. Is it okay? All right, guys. That's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Yeah, you can ask me, Abdul, please. Guys, Chandu, if you did not receive Google Classroom, please send a mail to support@nareshit.com. Please send a mail to this mail ID. Please send a mail to this mail ID along with your fees receipts. Along with your fees receipts, they'll try to help you with this. Okay. I'm not supposed to send you the Google Classroom link, guys. Right? Google Classroom link, I'm not supposed to give you. I'm not supposed to give you. Please send a mail to that. You'll be getting it. Okay. Right. Right. Yeah, I understand, Javed. I understand. I understand. It's okay. It's okay. No problem. No problem. No issues. I can see Ajit. Yes. I understand. Morning session is not possible, Nandini. I understand. I understand. 6 to 7:30, you are having a class. I'll not change, Suraj. Don't worry. Mostly I'll not change. Okay. Don't worry. No issue. No worries. No worries. I'll not change. No problem. All right. Morning sessions are not available, guys. Morning sessions are not available. All right. All right. All right, guys. All right. All right. Right. Sahil. Oh, Sahil, you're saying when we compile Java file is JVM sit idle. Sahil, not exactly. Not exactly. JVM is a part of JDK. Okay. It's a part of JDK. Okay, Devan, if you are running .class file on other versions, then we have compile. Yeah, no problem. No problem. Devyani, no problem. No problem. Make sure you are having, like, for example, if you are trying to compile older versions of Java, then you will be having a trouble. You should be having updated version, right? When Oracle's classes will start, please follow Naresh IT website. Guys, when new classes will be started, I want you to please check Naresh IT website. You will be getting the information there. Or else I'll upload in the Google Classroom also. Just wait for it, right? Devyani, yes, still it is platform independent. Okay. All right, guys. All right. All right. All right, guys. See you. See you tomorrow.